Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome to my new amazing project that is called Password Strength Checker. It will check the strength of your password. So here is my project. You can see in my web page. Here you can type your password. It will check your password is strength is weak or strong. So let's start typing password. See, it's showing weak password, and here you can see the password also. See, it's showing. You can hide and see the password also. If you type, see, now it become normal. Before it was weak password. See, before it was weak password. When you type 5 characters, then it's showing normal password. See, then I typed 10 character. It's showing strong password. See, you can see the password also. Means your password is now strong. So like that we can make our password strength. So here now come to our VS Code. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So now here in my VS Code I have taken the HTML file, CSS and JS file. So here in HTML file I have written the basic structure of my HTML, and then I've linked my CSS file. Then in this I've linked my script.js, that JS file. So here in body tag I've taken a class with container, and then in this div I've taken h3 tag password strength. Then in this h3 tag I've taken the input type should be password, and type should be password and id input and placeholder password. And on input I have taken function my function. When we input on our input tag, so here p with id text, that for paragraph whatever we are typing. So now come to our styling. For body tag I have taken this background color code, and then margin padding I have taken 0. So now here in our container tag I have taken display flex wrap, justify content center, align item center, and width 200 pixel and height 200 pixel. Then a border radius 9 pixel and a box shadow 3 pixel with this color code, and a padding 20 pixel and padding right 40 pixel, margin length 40% and margin top 14%. So here background color white, you can see in my page for this. So now come for the input. So when you input, margin top 20 pixel, font size 15 pixel, and outline should be none. Then for border 2 pixel solid and this color code, and background border radius 13 pixel and padding 10 pixel. Now in S3 I have taken margin left 30 pixel and a color code for the S3 is this. You can see here 3 tag color code. So come to our JS file. So in my JS file, how it will check? For that we have created a function my function, and here variable I have taken t and l. So t for text, l for length of the input. So t equal to document dot get element by id text. We are selecting our id text. I can show you here. Then I have selected our id input. Id input is here. Dot value dot length. Whatever the value, any character means 5 characters, 6 characters, that value it will get. If length equal to 0 means you have not typed anything, then inner HTML should be empty and document dot get element by id input dot style color border should be nothing. If you type nothing, let me refresh this. So if you type nothing, its border color should be normal, and see nothing it's showing. So then if you type less than 5 and equal to 0 for this, if length is 0 for this, here we have written already. If greater than 0 and less than 5 for this, the inner HTML will be weak password, it will show, and style color would be red, and the border of our input will become 1 pixel solid red. So if it is, see, border is red and this red color weak password is showing. So for that, it because it's less than 5. See, it is less than 5, so it's showing this. So this is only 4 character, you can see here. So if it less than 10 and greater than 5 or equal to 5, then it is so normal password and it is in orange color and border become orange 1 pixel solid. So for that, if it is equal to 5 character, 6 character, 7, 8, if it less than 10, then it will show normal password, this orange background color means your password is normal. So for otherwise else here, then the text will be a strong password and it will be lime color, and then the border will become 1 pixel solid line. So when it is equal to 10 password and greater than 10, that is so this strong password with green color border like this, you can see here, and a strong password, so it's showing strong password. So like that we can write the script and get the result like this. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with a new amazing project. So keep supporting. Thank you.